Princess Sofronia. Move 2 random cards from opponent's recruits to the neutral area. Move 3 random neutral area cards to your loyalist, and choose one of those cards and move to allies. So, Princess Sofronia is a nice little move card, gets you some extra points. So let's see. Okay, let's say this one and this one. All right. And then we're gonna move 3 of these. Okay, so we're gonna move this one, and this one. All right, that was pretty good. And then I'll choose one of these 3, and I can move them to allies. So I'm gonna take that 11 and move it up. And there you go.